So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can place orders on the Metatrader 5 mobile app. Now there is two different ways that we can do this. So for example, once we open it up here, you'll be on your quotes page, and here is where you can then trade your different currencies. Now, what we can do first of all, if we head over to gold, we can click on gold, and then you will then get the option to trade. Click on this. From here, this is the main trade portal, and you can then click on the drop down here, and you can choose between the different limit orders and market execution orders on this page. Now, if you market execute, it will then market execute at the current price on the chart. If you do a limit order, you can pretty much put it wherever you like on the chart, right, at a specific price level. So what you want to do is choose which type of order you want. So if I put buy limit, you will then be able to now enter in your lot size, which is very important because this is the risk that you'll be putting on each trade. What you want to do then is enter in the price. You can then enter in a stop loss and also a take profit level. And once you have entered in all of this information, you can then click on place, which will then place that trade. Alternatively, we can do this directly on the chart. So to do this, what we can do is head over to the chart here. And then to bring up the trade execution menu, click on this little icon in the top right hand corner. And then from here, you can then drag and drop trade. So essentially, I'm going to put a sell limit around here. And then you can then go down to the bottom, click on the stop loss. And if you need to, go ahead and change your lot size, click on the up arrow there, which will then allow you to change your lot size and also the order type. So once you have changed the order type, go down to stop loss and take profit. You can drag and drop these wherever you like on the chart. And then once you have done this, all you need to do is simply drag this across, which will then set your limit order just like so. And then as you can see, if it has done correctly, you would then see dotted lines here, which means that your order is currently in the market. And then all you need to do now is wait for price to trade to your sell limit level for you to be tagged in to that specific trade.